This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Gage Dopel. Here is the perfect lot to build your dream home in the highly desirable Perkins Place. This 0.52-acre rolling lot, one of the last available in this established subdivision, is fully cleared and ready for construction. You'll be treated to stunning mountain views and have the convenience of being within walking distance to the grocery store. Located within the city limits, you'll benefit from services such as trash pickup and much more. Utilities, including electricity, water, sewer, and gas, are readily available at the road. Plus, you'll be just minutes from I-75, Norris Lake, and popular ATV trails. Opportunities like this don't last long. Call today to schedule your private tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Gage Dopel at 865-687-1111.